Hello children, today we will study the poem The Raindrops by J.E. Brown. Okay, so you all open page number 42. First I will read out the poem and then we will see the explanation. So here it goes. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter patter down the window pane. They won't let me walk, and they won't let me play, and they won't let me go out of doors all today. They put away my playthings because I broke them all, and then they locked up all my bricks and took away my ball. They say I'm very naughty, but I've nothing else to do but sit here at the window. I should like to play with you. So children, this poem is about rain, and the speaker in this poem is a child who is talking to and who is watching the raindrops which is trickling down the window pane. Trickling means coming down drop by drop, and window pane means the glass that you see on the window, that is window pane. So children, first tell me, when it rains, so what would you like to do when it rains? What would you like to do? You want to, you want to go out, you want to play in the rain, you want to sail the paper boat in the rain, isn't it? Children, they usually enjoy playing in the rain. But tell me, what are you made to do when it rains? You are made to sit at home. Means what your parents tell you, that you can do this and you cannot do that. So your parents say that you cannot go out in the rain to play. You cannot get wet in the rain, right? Parents, they don't allow you to go out. And what you can do, they say that you can just sit at the window and look outside, or you can sit in the balcony and watch the rain, enjoy the rain from there, but you cannot go out and play. So similarly in this poem also, the speaker, who is a child, he's telling about what he really wants to do and what he is made to do. Okay, so let's see. Oh, where do you come from? Here you means raindrops. Okay, the child is talking to raindrops, so he's denoting raindrops as you. Oh, where do you come from, you little drops of rain? Pitter patter down the window pane. So he is asking the raindrops that where they come from, and it is making a sound. The pitter patter means the sound of the raindrops, okay, that is falling on the window pane. So it is producing sound. It is like pitter patter when it is falling on the window pane. So the child is asking to the raindrops that from where are you coming, and here you are falling on the window panes and producing the sound like pitter patter. They won't let me walk, and they won't let me play. Here they means parents. Okay, the child is talking about his parents. He is complaining to raindrops that my parents, they will not allow me to go out in the rain and walk and play, and they won't let me go out of doors all today because it is raining and it is all mushy outside. So my parents will not allow me to go out in the rain and play and enjoy. They put away my playthings because I broke them all, and then they locked up all my bricks and took away my ball. So here he's also saying, it's also telling to the raindrops that my parents have taken my toys, and why they have taken the toys? Because I have broken them all. So as a punishment, his parents have taken all the toys, and they locked up all my bricks and took away my ball. Bricks here, children, means you must have seen, or you must have got small plastic or wooden pieces are there that you attach to one into one, and you build things like that. So these are the playthings that are used by the kids. So he's saying that my parents have taken all the bricks and also taken away my ball. Why? Because his parents are punishing him because he has not taken care of his toys properly and he has broken his toys. So as a punishment, they have taken his things and locked it in somewhere in the almirah. They say, I am very naughty, but I have nothing else to do. But sit here at the window, I should like to play with you. Now he says that according to his parents, means his parents say that I am very naughty, or the child is very naughty. But he says that it is not so, means according to the boy, it's not like that. He is getting bored. What he can do, he has got nothing else to do but just simply sitting at the home and looking outside the rain. So he's saying that I am not naughty, it's all that I am getting bored at home because I have got nothing to do. But sit here at the window, I should like to play with you. So the child is feeling bored and he has nothing else to do. So he wants to play with the rain falling at the window pane. Okay, children. So this is the poem about the raindrops. So in this, how do you know the speaker is a child? You know, because a child can only, you know, play with toys and all. So these all things tell us that, and child can only be punished for breaking the toys. So these things tell us that the speaker in the poem is a child. So, and where is the speaker sitting here? The speaker, as you can see in this picture also, that the child is sitting, is talking, watching the rain from behind the window. So children, this is all the poem about. I hope you have understood the poem, and now I want you to learn the poem properly and also learn the word meanings. Okay children, thank you.